5 Best JLTV Prototypes. The JLTV, Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, is a 4x4 armored vehicle that was developed by Oshkosh Defense for the U.S. Army and Marine Corps. In September 2011, the American company Oshkosh unveils the next generation of a light combat vehicle, the LATV Light Combat Tactical All-Terrain Vehicle. On August 25, 2015, the LATV was selected as the winner of the JLTV program. The first JLTV delivery order was placed in March 2016, with the U.S. Army ordering 657 trucks. Overall JLTV requirements are 9,091 vehicles for the Marine Corps, with all to be delivered in fiscal year 2022, and 49,099 for the Army entering service in late 2019, with deliveries occurring through 2040. JLTV Roguefires. Roguefires is an unmanned ground vehicle that leverages the JLTV's extreme off-road mobility and payload capacity and Oshkosh's advanced autonomous vehicle technologies to support ground-based anti-ship missile operations. The unmanned technology associated with Roguefires allows the vehicle to operate in teleoperator or leader-follower modes, which protect warfighters from threats by removing them from the vehicle entirely. JLTV Spike NLOS. Lockheed Martin successfully delivered the Spike Non-Line-of-Sight (NLOS) missile system on the Oshkosh's JLTV to U.S. Special Operations Command. This integration demonstrates the versatility of the Spike NLOS weapon system. Using a Lockheed Martin-developed remote launcher, the weapon system can be mounted directly onto almost any vehicle with a standard palletized interface in less than 20 minutes, without any vehicle modifications. This long-range strike precision system is in service with U.S. forces and 6 international countries. Spike NLOS is a multi-purpose, electro-optical/infrared missile system. Its advanced rocket motor provides capability to reach ranges up to 32 kilometers. Users can integrate Spike NLOS with ground, aviation, or maritime platforms, while leveraging its standoff capability to strike distant or geographically concealed targets without line of sight. Spike is an Israeli fire-and-forget anti-tank guided missile and anti-personnel missile with a tandem charge heat warhead, currently in its 4th generation. JLTV Mortar Carrier. The JLTV Mortar Carrier is fitted with an Elbit Systems Spear, a fully autonomous, vehicle-mounted 120mm soft recoil mortar system mounted at the rear of the vehicle. The vehicle has a crew cab located at the front vehicle, providing armor protection against firing of small arms and artillery shell splinters. The Spear is equipped with a recoil reduction system that reduces the mortar's firing loads from 30+ tons to as low as 12 to 15 tons. The Spear can be operated by a crew from 2 to 3 soldiers in autonomous or manual modes. The mortar system can be fired the first round in 60 seconds. It can engage targets at a maximum range of 10 kilometers, using standard ammunition. JLTV SHORAD. The JLTV is equipped with the Boeing Maneuver Short Range Air Defense (SHORAD) launcher, including AM-3P.50 Cal machine gun, M299 launcher with 4 Longbow Hellfire missiles, sensor suite, and a communication suite including a Thales VRC-111. The Longbow system employs fire-and-forget Longbow Hellfire AGM-114L missiles that can be launched from defilade, increasing battlefield survivability. The Longbow Hellfire missile locks on targets before or after launch and has been used in Operation Enduring Freedom and Operation Iraqi Freedom. JLTV Hero-120. The Oshkosh Defense has outfitted a 2-door utility JLTV with the Hero-120 short-range tactical system. The system is developed by Israeli firm Uvision. Hero-120 can carry a 3.5 kilograms warhead and has an endurance of 60 minutes. Thank you for watching.